right, Harvest Caye, welcome to Belize. All right, so as you come in, you have the parasail check-in information, the beach villa check-in, and the wave renter check-in and tickets. You have the restrooms, a telephone booth. Don't see that too often anymore. Sign letting us know the beach, the flight house, the splash pad, Jade Maya, Lagoon rentals, Lighthouse Bar and Grill, marina tours, restaurant and bar, and the pool. So kind of let you know which way to head for all of those items. So the first area we come to is the little shopping area. You have the Moho Chocolate Factory and Gift Shop. Now it is still early, so some things are just not open yet. But you have some shops, some outside vendors. You have the official Belize gift shop. You have the Bayman Spirits duty and tax-free shop. All right, you have the marina. So this is going to be your jet skis, other boats, some excursion launching locations. All right, you have the Jade Mayan Imports, more shopping. You have a Tropical Trinkets, the Tropical Cafe, the Mahogany Grill, let's take a quick look around. It is very green here. Definitely lots of green. Found a big lizard statue. All right, so we're making our way back around the shopping area before we head into other areas. So they do have a pool here on the island. You can get pool cabanas, but they have chairs, shade. Go and take a look at the pool. It looks like a really good sized pool. All right, so we have the wildlife experience. Oh, there's a jaguar here at the entrance waiting. They have the misters on, so it looks all foggy and spooky when you come in. Like we're deep in the jungle. So here we have a boa constrictor. And you can see him, he's way up there in the corner. And then one right down here at the bottom. Okay, so here's one of the blue ones.
So they look kind of like the owl ones until they open their wings.
Right, yeah, so they're blue on the inside. There he goes. Let's see if I can.
Thank you.
All right, back there we have the green iguana back there in the corner.
And Dylan had one standing on its head. Cost us $5, but it was one of those trains. I smoked it pretty long.
Yep, there are fish in there. All right, so once you exit the wildlife area, it brings you down over to the beach. Here is an old dugout canoe. Dating back to approximately 8,000 years. So here they have the Lagoon rentals. And here you can see whale sharks, manatees, and a hawksbill turtle. But this is where you come and rent your equipment. They have paddle boats, paddle boards, kayaks. Down here in the lagoon area. Alright, so there are beach chairs here around the lagoon, and it heads back towards the lighthouse, and the lighthouse is the zip line here on the island. And there go some people down the zip line. Alright, now down here at the very end of the beach, you have the private beach cabanas. Are down here with their own private beach area. You can play some giant chess. You have a bar and grill. Manta Ray's Bar and Grill is down here. Got some colorful picnic tables. They have all of their drink specials. So heading back towards the ship direction, you can see the Norwegian Prima. There is a boardwalk that you can walk on, so you don't have to walk through all of the sand. They have sand volleyball. So they do have a kids splash pad. You'll be able to see that here right past the bushes. A little splash pad, little play area for the kids. You have the first aid station, and the beach rentals is right here. And they do have lockers here available on the island as well. Okay, over here by the first aid station, they also do have the beach wheelchairs. They also have the beach wheelchairs, just in case you have any mobility issues and need a beach chair. They do have them available right here by the first aid station. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone's having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.